Alright, part 2. Bro, it's literally a butter block. You're zero IQ moment, bro.
I don't see no butter block on the.
Search butter.
I did. I saw nothing.
I saw your mom.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, she slept with your dad last night.
My dad's not even in Canada, so how?
Wait, your dad's not in Canada.
No, he's not. He's in China.
Oh.
Bro,
I'm
why you?
almost done.
Alright, spam some balloons everywhere.
Only have one balloon. That's the best balloon in the
Right.
game.
Need more blocks to spam. Oh, I've built the ultimate monstrosity.
Bro, look at my god boat.
Oh my god, that's so god, bro. So god, bro. I got cake on my boat, do you? I got
I got
teleporters on my boat.
cheese. I got cheese on my boat. There's nothing better than that.
I got better cheese on my boat.
I got balls on my boat.
What?
Your balls.
Hey,
Check.
oh.
If you do a ball sack check, you won't see any.
What?
I stole your balls to put them on my boat.
What? How can you? That's not physically possible. Bro, look at my boat.
It's so trash.
You're so
What is
trash.
that? Bro, that's such a bad boat.
You're such a bad boat. Just
I'm
tell
a
me when
bad.
you want to go. Tell me when you want to go.
I'm almost done my bot. My
Same.
boat.
Yeah, it's a bot, bro. You literally caught it. I got golden chairs around my boat. Do you?
I got golden balls around my boat.
Bro,
Do
stop
you?
talking about that. Is the puberty things getting into your head? Oh, I have
I
a
haven't
minigun on
even.
my boat. You got a minigun on your boat?
I got cheese on my boat. Bro, there's nothing better than that.
What?
You know, the cheese block.
I got cannons. I got harpoons on my boat. I got balloons. I got cheese blocks now. I got buttons. I got parachutes. I
Nothing
got white
compared to
switches.
my one.
I got whatever that is. I got a magnet. I got sand blocks. I have a
I've
leaf
gold
block.
chest. I've chest thingies on my boat. What do these do?
They don't do anything really. I got wheels on my boat. You got wheels on your boat?
I got balls on my boat.
What? Can you just not talk about balls for once, bro? It's literally his
Okay, I'm done.
life. You're done?
Me and my cheese block are ready.
I'm not ready yet. Why do you keep talking
I
about
got
the
a
cheese block?
cannon.
I got a minigun, bro.
For my daddy cannons.
Oh my god, bro. That's
I
a.
shot something.
Why did you shoot something at mine? You're
I
not
don't know if
blinking
they
because
told.
mine is stronger. Look at this monstrosity of a art.
It's trash, I must say.
I got chairs on my boat. You got chairs on your boat, bro. What the? Why did you just launch?
What is?
I wasn't even ready. Haha, I'm bumping your boat. Noob.
What is that?
Ah, I just bumped your boat.
I just bumped your
Oh
balls.
yeah, you wanna make fun of me, eh?
Hold on. Hey, this is the boat port. Are you rolling?
Yeah. What? Can I not roll? Or do you wanna see this? Me flying. And I got a minigun, so be careful. Oh, I'm literally gonna shoot you. Who harpooned me?
I don't know. I don't
Yo,
know
what?
how.
Is this a glitch? Yo, what the hell? Why do I just got a harpoon everywhere?
You come on my boat.
Nah, bro, I'm good. I'm just gonna roll my way there. Roll my way to victory. I'm literally speeding.
You're not even.
I'm
How
literally.
does your boat roll anyway?
I have a rolling chair. I'm literally surpassing you so much. Trash.
What is that?
I got gold, bro. Shut up.
I launch a cannon at you.
What? You're gonna watch a cannon at me?
Cannonball!
Come on, where are you?
Not you. I don't know if that did anything.
I'm gonna harpoon onto you, okay?
Those ninja stars.
Yeah.
What did they do?
Ooh, they damage your boat.
Nothing as good as my cannon.
Nah, I'm not messing around. I'm winning this.
Um,
Haha, you flipped. You wanna come on my boat now? You wanna?
uh,
You can always come on my boat.
sure.
Alright, come
Because
on.
my boat's not. Can you come back?
Why do you
My
want?
boat isn't
I
working.
can't come back. You said your boat is the best, so yeah, good luck.
Okay, there we go. I got it back on. I got it back on the like working.
Alright, no, I'm gonna try to fly now. Well, I do be going faster, but I do be going in the wrong way. Oof, I'm going sideways. There's ketchup on me. What now? Why is there donuts and ketchup? And mustard. Shooting my minigun. Oh, I can't crawl over. Where are you, bro? Did you die? I see that you are stuck.
Give me that.
What?
I'm behind you, kinda.
Do you? Oh, I kind of see you. Oh, the mustard. Let me get past, bro.
I literally don't even care. I'm going straight through.
Bro, someone's hacking or something. They're literally glitched. Alright, let's go. I'm flipping on the walls. My god, the honey mustard. Screwing me up. God, my boat's still fine though. Because I got
I
armor.
lost. I lost my motor, so I need now. I just have to hope for the best.
Well, you're almost finished. Oh shoot. I think it's safe for me to go over. Barely went
Oh, I
over.
lost. I lost my door. I literally see the outside.
Oh, that's not good, because that part you're gonna get. Ooh, you got saved. Lucky. I'm just spamming keys. Ooh, this is the hard part now. I'm almost done. You got. This is why I built a climber, so I can climb on rocks. For this part, you just have to hope the best and your boat doesn't break. I can climb over the rocks, kinda. Sometimes it's slippery, like right now, but I can mostly climb over the rocks, so I'm chilling. Did you die? Oh, you died, bro. I finished the game. Easy. Easy.